Hi everyone, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today I am going to cook Spanish rice for you. This clip was taken while the rice was pretty hot. Let's go see what we need. Here I have washed and drained 2 cups of long grain rice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cubes of chicken flavor bouillon, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and finally 4 cups of water. Heat the oil and fry the rice while mixing continuously. In the description box, you will be able to see all the ingredients, okay? While I mix the rice, please remember to check the description box under the video to see all the great channels that are joining our Spanish cuisine collaboration. Thank you, Sandee of My Ajillo's Kitchen for organizing this, and Sylvia of What's Cooking at Mom's Kitchen for making a lovely trailer for all of us to use. So let's add the salt to water and also garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, oregano, bouillon cubes, and mix well. Keep this aside. Add the tomato paste to the rice and continue frying for a few minutes. Now you know you can make this Spanish rice in the rice cooker. I am making this just for you on the stove in case you don't have a rice cooker. But believe me, rice cookers make life easy. I am now adding the water mixture to the rice. Let it come to a boil under high heat. Let's add some black pepper powder for extra flavor. When the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat and then let it cook. When all the water from rice has evaporated, reduce heat to low, cover the pot and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Fluff the rice with a fork. I will be serving my rice with Spanish chicken. This recipe is available on another video. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gloria's Platter. I hope to see you all soon from another video at Gloria's Platter. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye for now.